been to Disneyland quite a lot, many times already. I'm already 10 years old.
That's okay. Many adults are in Disneyland. It's like classic, you know, all time. But where have you been to Disneyland?
Tokyo, Paris, and Hong Kong.
Yeah.
Yep.
So this is the fourth Disneyland. Okay. We're not gonna have much time here because we just kind of come and see how it is, right? We're gonna go somewhere else after this, but let's go.
I don't know the way.
Let's go. I think we walk a little bit inside.
Now we're going to the Finding Nemo Submarine Voyage because I think it's a shortened waiting ride.
Yeah.
I'm not sure it's that long.
We will go see.
Yep.
But this is one of the highlights, at least in the brochure. But we play something similar in Tokyo Disney Sea already. So let's see. I think it's gonna be cool.
Steer 30 degrees.
30 degrees.
All ahead full. Steady as she goes.
All ahead full.
This is what they expect. That's just creepy.
Thanks. Stand by for weather watch.
Radar 175.
And the complex topography of plains, trenches, mountains, and even volcanoes. In
That's a
fact,
fake
our
one.
destination today is a newly erupting deep water volcano. Even here in the shallows, we can see evidence of such geometry, such as our sonar hydrophones, to actually hear the fish talk.
So how was the ride, the submarine voyage? And now, so after this, will you play one more or would you go back?
If we have time.
Okay, let's see.
Look at that.
Yeah, good, looking good.
We're not gonna play it because we don't have enough time, and we're gonna go to other places in USA, like Santa Monica
Yep,
Outlet,
yep.
and I don't
Yeah,
know.
because it was our plan to stop here just like
Just to look
see.
for like next time. If we like it, next time we can come like
Yeah.
go there. If we don't,
Oh, lovely car.
let me go on it. I don't want to walk.
Okay, this is Adventureland. You want to go in and look, or you want to leave?
To leave.
Okay. So, bye Disney.
Bye Disney. Come back. I will come back when I'm older.
It's your fourth Disneyland, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's good.
Yep, this is unofficial Disneyland.
What do you mean unofficial? Because we
Because
just stopped by for a while. Okay.
We ate pizza.
Okay. So bye.
Bye bye. Happy adventure. You know, it's a picture. More picture. Citadel outlet. I don't want to come. So hot.
Yes.
Oh, why? Now I will come here to not be hot, but now it will be so hot. water.
Oh, there is something there. Let's go there.
That's so quite big.
Yeah.
That's good. So blue, so bright. Oh no! It's not. That is not Barbara. Not the beach/mountain. Right.
It's just a hill. Not a hill, just like, yeah. Okay, let's go up there. Oh, this song.
I hate this song.
Why? It's cool. I like it. Yeah. Wow, so beautiful.
Going like this.
Yep.
The wind is so good. So windy.
What?
The wind just pulled my hair.
Okay, let's go to the beach.
Yeah. I'm a chill.
Okay, sure. Let's go to the sea first, and when we work our way back.
You jump at the sea.
Okay.
Why don't you wear your
Look, cool graffiti.
what?
Cool graffiti. Yeah, it's cool, right? Is it cool? Oh no?
Kind of creepy. Why they're clear? So nice. And there's two planes racing.
Oh yeah.
I don't think they're racing. It just happened to be like racing.
Yeah, but they're so close. How can the plane be so close?
In GTA, the airport is just there.
Okay.
Now we're gonna leave. We're gonna walk around and enjoy it first. Yep. Bye bye, Venice Beach. Sand from my shoes at Malibu. I think that's Venice.
Oh.
I think it is.
When it is somewhere down there, but look, people are enjoying their swimming time in the beach.
Guys, oh, that's loud and that's hard. Maybe that hurts, right? So, yep. Anyone want to climb? Dad, you want to climb?
Yeah, I will.
Okay. I don't know. The beach, the wind. Actually, Dad just said what's the how to come down to the beach.
Yeah, there is. There is just
And
the,
also, you can climb the rock.
yeah, there is just the walkway there. Like you can
Maybe
come.
you want to challenge.
Yep.
I want to fish.
Oh yeah, it looks fun. Yeah.
I want to try fishing.
Okay. We're gonna go fishing somewhere. This I think it takes us a while. We don't have that much time, but
Diving with it. This time is also a lot of fun.
yep.
We're leaving now.
in the GTA, right? That house looks so beautiful. There's so many beautiful houses.
I'm pretty sure it's that one or maybe that one.
Okay.
Continue recognizing the GTA. And I'm in GTA. I ride all the way around this.
Okay, that's good. That's good. So when you go back home and then you play GTA, you're like, okay, I've been there. Oh, I've seen it like in real.
Yep.
Okay, gonna be
In
fun.
GTA, there's like a land between the. It's like a land inside the mountains, like a little desert.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good. Okay.
Bye bye, Malibu. Take a look around. But this will be our last look at Malibu.
Okay.
Malibu.
We will then go on to Santa Monica.
Santa Barbara.
Monica today, Barbara, we've been.
Yep. Well, we're at a restaurant in Santa Monica, a seafood restaurant called Lobster. And look, you can see
Yeah, here it says.
it's like in GTA.
Really, this restaurant?
I mean the pier, just like in GTA. Really, really. Look at my food. Look at your kids.
Yeah, that's the way.
The food has arrived. Yay! Play with it. Finish and we're gonna walk around. Nice weather, I'm gonna say.
How was the restaurant?
Good. I wanna say seafood made us really full early.
Yeah, but very good.
Salty. Harbor.
And that our restaurant.
Yeah. Let's go. So we are approaching the pier. Happy Santa Monica. So Christian said, let me read it before I go downstairs.
Nabi, and this part you can see the city.
Yep, a bit of the city.
And the sea is just right there.
Is LA close?
Yep.
In Pacific Park, where we have lots of the turbulence in the plane. Well, I don't know about the 5 turbulence. A lot.
Yo soy puro michoacano, se los digo en mi canción. Si de verdad me traen ganas, piensan en donde estoy. No sudar hasta el alma, pa' mirarme en la prisión.
This Ferris wheel is amazing. I mean the light. The light.
Yeah, it's so good.
Like in Korea.
Yeah.
Finally, we made it to
Yep. So let's go back. You lead the way.
It's been a fun day, and now we have to say goodbye to Santa Monica. Yeah, it's sad, but yep. Now we have to head back to LA and back to the hotel in the garden. Yep. So see you. Bye. Yep, end of today's vlog. See you tomorrow at Universal. Bye. Look at the view first. Oh my god, look at the nice view. It's gonna be tomorrow's gonna be a second from last day in LA.
Yep.
Not second, like a day in LA, and then after tomorrow it will be a half a day.
Yeah.
Like day. Yeah, such a nice city. My last night, not my last night, but nearly my last night in LA. Well, I'm gonna miss this place. Very lovely. So, yep. See you tomorrow.